Welcome, Sil Ross, to Diversity in Public Education, ED 5316, Fall 2018 graduate course. I want to welcome you to our learning community. My name is Dr. Jennifer Miller, and I will have the privilege of serving as your course instructor this semester. 5316 is an overview of multicultural education. As a student, you and leader, you will gain an appreciation and understanding from an educational leadership perspective of considerations associated with educating the multicultural learner. Students will also gain an understanding of the need to design and support curriculum that will best meet the needs of the diverse learner. Finally, you're going to learn how to interact with your colleagues, me, and as peers, we will gain a practical knowledge of putting what one learns into practice this semester. So I really hope that you enjoy the course. I wanted to give you a quick video to introduce you to the course layout and assignments and how to help you best get started and connect with me. So once you log into your Blackboard course, on the left-hand side, you will notice that you have a course information window here. And so the first thing that you need to know is that I try to make myself very accessible to my students. And so you'll see a virtual office menu button here on the left-hand side, and that will give you information about my office hours, which are Tuesdays and Thursdays this semester from 10 to 5 Central Standard Time. I'm also available by appointment, and I work late many nights, but you just need to reach out to me and let me know what you need, and I'll try to make myself available that day. I've given you my Twitter information. I encourage you to follow me on Twitter. I like to use the hashtag SRSULearns, and I encourage you to share resources, especially resources that might benefit others regarding meeting the needs of diverse learners. You'll find some other information about where you can direct technical questions and more information about our education department here. The next link that you're going to want to really check out is the welcome video and syllabus. That's where you'll find this video posted, and along with the syllabus. So what you'll need to do this week is just really try to review the syllabus, which provides you an overview of the course, your student learning objectives, our competencies that are associated with this class, which is part of the principal's new Texas competencies, counseling Texas competencies, and then of course the reading specialist Texas competencies. Our book, we are using Coppell's newest version of Understanding Human Differences, Multicultural Education for Our Diverse America, 5th edition. The bookstore should have a copy of this book along with our Sil Ross library. They were getting an ebook format that you can try to check out, and I encourage you to do so, along with your APA manual. So that's there as well. Looking at the assignments, most of our assignments really center at first on your textbook readings. There are quizzes associated with the chapters, but primarily the main bulk of points will be the discussion boards. I really encourage you to participate actively in the discussion boards. By actively meaning you are going to post a response using academic writing. By that I mean you are sharing articles, using your APA citations, referring to the text, and also not just providing resources and support for your statements that are rooted in research in our textbooks readings that you cite in your discussion board. You also share additional resources. So that's one part of your grade. The other part of your grade is writing a response to your peers. You need to respond multiple times. I would like for this class for you to respond on 3 separate days to get a minimum grade. those responses are peer reviews. And so the more you post, the higher your grade. And I don't want to see something like good job or I agree. This is an in-depth response. So you're asking questions, higher order questioning, to really help your peer and yourself to really dive deeper into the topic and to think critically about the topic at hand. So that's really what I'm looking for, and I'll coach you through this the first couple of times. The biggest change this semester is you will be also writing, looking at current research on how to best meet the needs of diverse learners. So we're going to talk about a lot of topics this semester to include ELL learners, transgender issues, religious issues, so different cultural topics, and you're going to pick one that best, cyberbullying might be one. You're going to pick a topic that really interests you, and you're going to go to the library and you're going to write a paper that talks about how you would differentiate instruction to best meet the needs of this particular learner. So for instance, it might be differentiating instruction for ELL learners, or it could be questioning, strategies to teach tolerance. So there are a lot of different topics that you could choose, but we'll talk more about that a little bit later on in the course. Your final project then, you will work with a partner and you will create a diversity event, or a diversity, it might not be an event, a diversity program that you will plan with a partner, and you will create a presentation and you will share that with your peers at the end of the semester. And so that's your culminating project. And you'll have a journal entry. So you can see the grading policy along with our calendar here. That's nice. It provides you the due dates. And that's really all that I wanted to talk about in regard to this syllabus. After you review the syllabus and you've looked at the virtual office, I primarily communicate with announcements, so you'll want to log in and check your announcements regularly. I try to have them emailed to you as well as post them here. And then finally, when you're ready to start the course, you're going to start with the modules here, and it's arranged in modules, and you'll need to work in order. So you'll start with Module 1. I really look forward to getting to know each of you this semester. Let me know how I can best support you, and good luck. Have a great first day back. I'll enjoy reading your comments in the introduction discussion board, and good luck.